All right, ladies and gentlemen, I have a little activity that I want us to place into our IMN. This helps us understand slope, and it's a little activity. You're going to create a stained glass. It's going to go on pages 38 and 39, and ultimately, after you finish it, I'm going to go over a couple of them. Your stained glass will look like this. It's actually very nice. All right, this is going to go on pages 38, 39 inside your interactive notebook. When we look at this, our first 1A, B, and C, it says on the graph, locate lines A and B, and C, and determine the slope and y-intercept of each line. And then you need to write your equation for each line. So the first thing that I want you to do is write M and B, because you need to find your slope and your y-intercept, and then you're going to write your equations in the y equals mx plus b format. All right, do that for A, B, and C. We're going to go to our graph, looking at line A. I want you to first find your B. That's where the line is crossing through the y-axis. In this case, it's 1. So back on your paper, I want you to write the number 1 as your B. Now our M, we're going to find another point on the line. And we're going to write our rise over run. Rise over run. I went up 1 and over 2. Up 1 over 2. So my rise over 1 is 1/2, and then you're going to write your equation. Y equals 1/2 x plus 1. You're going to do that for B and C, same thing. Let's look at number 2. It says write the equation of the line if the y-intercept is -7 and the slope is -2/5. Your y-intercept, or your B, is -7, and your slope M is -2/5. Y equals -2/5x minus 7. They want us to graph it. So you're going to start at a -7 on your y-axis, down 2/5. Down 1, 2 over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Down 1, 2 over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up to 1, 2 over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up 1, 2 over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Taking your ruler, and you're going to connect your points. Okay, let's go on, and we're going to label this line D. This is line D. All right, let's go on to the next one. Graph the equation y equals 4/3 x minus 10. Your M is 4/3, and your B, -10. Starting at -10, positive slope up and to the right and down and to the left. We're going to go up 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 over 1, 2, 3. Up 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 over 1, 2, 3. Up 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 over 1, 2, 3. When I hit another line, we call this intersect, when the two lines run into each other, just like if you were in a car and you go to an intersection. We can go down 1, 2, 3, 4 over 1, 2, 3. Taking my ruler again, and I'm going to connect those points. We're going to label this line E. Okay, let's go to number 4. Number 4, it says a line passes through 0, 8, which 8 is your B, your y-intercept, and has a slope of 2. Write the equation. Y equals 2x plus 8. We're going to start at 8. And then we have a positive slope, 2/1. Going up to 8, positive slope, up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1. We can also go down 2 to the left 1, down 2 to the left 1. I'm going to go ahead and graph that. Make sure you're taking your lines all the way through the graph, end to end, placing your arrows. And then we're going to label this line F. We got one more, line G. It says graph the equation y equals negative x plus 3. Remember, no number in front of the x means it's a 1. In this case, my m is a negative 1 over 1, and my b is a positive 3. Negative slope, going down and to the right or up and to the left, starting at a positive 3. So up and to the left, up and to the left, or down and to the right, down and to the right. Taking our ruler, and again, make sure you go through the whole graph all the way. All right, making your arrows. We're going to label this G. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to take your colored pencils and you're going to color in this rectangle that you see here. Make sure you do different colors. Again, I'll show you the example just so you know what we're looking for. It should ultimately look something like this. This is a grade, so make sure you show me when you have completed it. Glue it in on pages 38 and 39.